From the laying down of the first railroad tracks, to the creation of the interstate highway system, to the development of the air traffic system, transportation is key to unlocking America's great economic potential. Today, America's aviation system not only transports people and goods, but it is also essential to our way of life. The domestic aviation industry supports over 11 million jobs and contributes over $640 billion to the economy. We are at a critical point. Over the next 10 years, we expect that the use of our nation's airspace will double and possibly even triple over time. If we are going to avoid congestion in the skies and gridlock at our airports, if we are going to keep this great economy moving forward, we must now take deliberate and focused action to improve our air transportation system for the future. The Joint Planning and Development Office, JPDO, a unique government partnership of the Departments of Transportation, Commerce, Defense, Homeland Security, the FAA, NASA, and the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, is leading the conceptualization and design of our next-generation air transportation system, NextGen. NextGen is about transforming our air transportation system. NextGen is about the development of a satellite-based 21st century air transportation system, a system with internet-like communications using advanced computer technology that is safe, dependable, and secure. Currently, the reality is, if we don't make this transformation, our aviation sector and its related industries, which contributes 9% of our economy's GDP, will become less productive. With NextGen, we can meet the increasing demands and do so with efficiency and flexibility. Under the guidance of the JPDO, along with the participation of government and industry partners, a strategic and focused collaboration is taking shape. In the summer of 2006, the JPDO unveiled the NextGen Concept of Operations. The CONOPS describes how the NextGen system will function, how air traffic and airports will be managed, how safety and efficiency will be enhanced, how weather delays will be reduced, how our skies, our cargo, and passengers will be better safeguarded, and how all the diverse system users can be best served. In order for NextGen to become a reality, these technologies, procedures, and changes to the way we manage our airspace must be seamlessly integrated. NextGen will accommodate the multiple aviation communities that use our nation's airspace for commerce, defense, law enforcement, and recreation, while handling the mix of new and different types of aircraft. The success of NextGen lies in a highly automated, cost-effective system that takes full advantage of satellite-based navigation, communications, and surveillance. NextGen builds on existing technology and accelerates the development and deployment of new technology. Today's progress is tomorrow's reality. In 2005, the Network-Enabled Operations Demonstration, or NEO, successfully connected 7 different legacy air traffic management and security information systems. The capability of sharing information in real time helped several agencies respond to a simulated security incident more effectively and efficiently by getting the right information to the right decision makers at the same time, no matter where they were located. Another NextGen objective is improving weather forecasting. Here too, we're moving toward a vision of a common weather picture across the system. Meteorologists, pilots, dispatchers, and controllers, all working with the same weather information in real time. An example of this capability is an ongoing project where NASA researchers working with the FAA designed, built, and installed a tiny weather sensor on aircraft in the Mesaba Airlines fleet. Weather data, such as precipitation and wind speed, is gathered as the 200 aircraft fly their normal routes, automatically transmitting vital information to air traffic and weather facilities. With technology like this, meteorologists will have the necessary data to make better forecasts, and controllers, dispatchers, and pilots will be able to better manage aircraft more safely under adverse weather conditions. The backbone of NextGen is ADS-B, Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast. ADS-B dramatically improves the level of situational awareness, that is, pilots knowing their location in relationship to other aircraft and obstructions. ADS-B uses GPS to broadcast the position and intent of the aircraft. It then automatically transmits this information, with more precision than radar, to air traffic managers and pilots. The people of Alaska, more than most, rely on aviation for both commerce and mobility. Since the late 1990s, aircraft equipped with ADS-B technology have been participating in an FAA Flight Systems Performance Evaluation program in Alaska called Capstone. The technologies evaluated by the Capstone program have shown promise. Preliminary data reports approximately a 40% drop in accidents in both general aviation and commercial aircraft participating in the program and equipped with the new technologies. NextGen has industry support. Delivery giant UPS is currently using ADS-B technology in Louisville, Kentucky, saving millions of dollars in jet fuel, reducing emissions by 34% and noise by 30%. UPS airplanes are saving both time and money by simply taking off, landing, and moving on the airport more efficiently. The advent of satellite-based capabilities has resulted in another innovation in our nation's airspace called RNP, or Required Navigation Performance. RNP allows pilots to use more precise navigation on arrival and departure. This innovation reduces fuel consumption, noise, and pollution. RNP procedures are now used at many of our nation's airports, with more being added annually. These demonstrations, these procedures, these plans, and the evolving technologies are an ongoing part of the groundwork for a future that brings our skies and airports into the 21st century. Just as the railroads and the interstate highway system led the development of our nation and its economy by providing Americans the freedom to travel and the availability of goods and services, NextGen is about the next generation air transportation system. NextGen is an investment we have to make. It's our future.